Hello students, welcome to the online lectures of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for Standard 6, subject Maths, chapter Basic Concepts in Geometry. Let us now begin. So students, let us now study the first question of practice set 1. Look at the figure alongside and name the following. So the figure is given here. The first thing which you have to find is collinear points. We will find those with the help of the information which we studied in the last lecture. So the collinear points given in this figure are points M, O and T. And the second set of collinear points which is given here are points R, O, N. Let us now study about rays. So ray ON, ray OP, ray OS, ray OT, ray OR and ray OM are some of the rays given in this figure. Let us find the line segments given here. Seg MT, seg RN, seg OP, seg ON and seg OT. And the last thing which we have to find is the lines. So there are only two lines given in this figure. They are line MT and line RN. Let us solve the second question of practice set 1. That is, write the different names of the line in the given figure. Earlier in the lecture, we studied about the lines and how to name them. So now we will use that information to name this line using different alphabets. We can name it as line L using the small letter, or also we can name it as line AB, line AC, line AD, line BC, line BD and also line CD. Let us solve the third sum of practice set 1. Match the following. In group A, we can see several figures are given there, and in group B are the names of those figures. We have to find what is the name of the correct figure. So the first figure which is given is of a line. So the first answer is C, that is line. The second figure is of a segment. It can be also written as line segment. So the second answer is D, that is line segment. The third figure is of a plane. So the answer is B, which is plane. And the fourth and the last one is a ray. So the fourth answer is A, that is ray. Let us now solve the fourth and the last sum of practice set 1, which is observe the figure below, name the parallel lines, the concurrent lines and the points of concurrence in the figure. एक फिगर है जो यहाँ पे दिया है, उसके बेसिस पे हमें parallel lines, concurrent lines और point of concurrence लिखना है. First we will write the parallel lines. So the lines which are parallel are line B, line M, line Q. We can write it as line B is parallel to line M is parallel to line Q, and also line A is parallel to line P. The sign which is given here is the sign of parallel. The second one we will write about the concurrent lines. Concurrent lines वो होते हैं जब 3 या 4 lines, 2 or more than 2 lines when meet at a single point are said to be concurrent. So line A, line B, line C, line AD are concurrent lines, and line P, line Q, line AD are also concurrent lines. Let's see the point of concurrence. Where do they meet? So line A, line B, line C and line AD meet at point A. So point A is their point of concurrence. Whereas for the second one, line PQ and line AD, the point of concurrence is point D.